So guys, now let's get started with our game. Which Disney princess are you? Answer these 10 questions and find out. For each question, simply answer A, B, C, D or E and keep track of your points. Add them at the end to find out the result. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time to think. Let's get started. Where would you go if you had the choice? To a castle, a peaceful place with friends, a ball or a party, anywhere with my lover, see every place in the world. I would go to a castle if I would had a choice to go anywhere. Let's find out what are my results. I got 40 points, so I'm going to write on the paper. I first 40 points. Next question. Choose one thing you would never forget. Feeding my pets, spending time with buddies, pursuing my dreams, being in love, my parents' sweet smiles. I'm gonna choose my parents' sweet smiles. Option E. I got 40 points, so 40 plus 40 is equals to 80. So it means I've got 80 points. Who would you trust? Friends, animals, magic, seeing is believing, my own judgment. I believe in animals. Who would you believe? Please comment me in the comment section down. I've got 10 points. It means I've got 90 points. What is your favorite hobby? Traveling or exploring, helping others. I like to think. Dancing, trying new things or testing my limits. I would like to think. I got 40 points. It means I would be getting 130 points. So now fifth one. Do you like to make friends? Yes, I love to make friends. I don't know how to make friends. I prefer love over friendship. I don't need friends. I am independent. I like making friends so that I can travel with them. So I chose A. So I got 20 points. Sorry guys, due to dust problem my camera has again got blurred, so I'm really sorry. So let's start again with the fifth one. Do you like making friends? Yes, I love making friends. I don't know how to make friends. I prefer love over friendship. I don't need friends. I'm independent. I like making friends so that I can travel with them. I choose first one. Yes, I love making friends. That means I got 20 points. It means I got 150 points. What is your most prominent personality trait? Friendliness, cleverness, modesty, empathy, self-confidence. First one, friendliness. 20 points. It means I got 170 points. What do you value most? Happiness, liberty, love and friends and others. I value happiness more. It means I got 30 points. It means I got Sorry guys, we were just checking that the camera is clear or not, because every time when we pause this camera it's not coming like this, it is always going blur. So why it's going blur, now I have changed the settings, so now it won't go blur. So let's start. It means I've got 200 points in total, so let's start. The sixth one, what describes you the best? Eighth one now it is. Spontaneous, kind, sassy, humble, Savagya. I choose be kind. It means I got 50 points. It means I got 250 points. Which of these features is striking in your appearance? My long shiny hair, my flawless skin, my pretty eyes. I believe in my inner beauty, my perfect body. I believe in my inner beauty. It means I got 40 points. It means I got 290 points. 10. What would be the first worst state for you? Being alone, being prison or confinement, being unconscious, falling in accomplish my goal, being embarrassed or humility. Being prisoned, I choose being prisoned or conflict. It means I got 40 points. So it means I got 40 points, and now I've got 290 plus 40 is equals. It means I got 330 points. Add up all the points. I've add up all my points, and I got 330 points. So now let's check out. If you got 100 and 150, between 100 and 150 points, you are Aurora. If you got between 160 and 200, you are Jasmine. If you got between 210 and 270, it means you are Snow White. If you get between 280 and 350 points, it means you are Rapunzel. I got Rapunzel. So which Disney princess you are? You can comment me in the comment section down below. If you get between 360 and 430 points, it means you are Belle. If you get between 440 to 500 points, you are Cinderella. Which princess are you? Let me know in the comment section down below. Bye. This is the end of the video. So guys, which princess are you? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also I want to tell you all that I use the app InShot to edit my videos. It's very nice. You can also use Vita app, or also you can use YouTube video making apps, which are in the Google Play Store. So you can go search how to edit videos and post them in the YouTube. Then you get a lot of apps. But if you ask me, I would prefer Vita and InShot to edit my videos and post them. And also try Vita or InShot app, and also comment me how they are. I'm going to show you all the video how I'm going to post and edit my videos in the next video. Till then, see you all in the next video. Take care, bye bye. And also in the next video I won't be talking to you all. I will be just showing you all what do I do, how do I do my editing, and how I edit my apps videos and post them in YouTube. So I'm really sorry that I can't talk in that video. Okay, so because we're going to record the screen, for that we can't talk, so I'm really sorry. Also I'll try to voice record if I can, and also don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for my channel for more videos. Bye.